Welcome to IronScribe, a fast and accurate video transcription service. In this demo, I will give you a quick walkthrough. First, we have to sign up with our email. Then we confirm our email. Then we log in. And right off the bat we get 30 free minutes or credits. And we can start transcribing here. Let's upload one of our YouTube videos. It automatically starts uploading the file. Don't close your browser at this point. Once it's uploaded, it's now processing. The transcriptions are getting retrieved. Once that's done, you get an email. Once it's done, you can click the video title. You can edit the title. And you can fix the transcriptions. I can use Ctrl S to pause and continue the video. And once I update cells, they automatically save. And when I update captions, they also automatically refresh on the video. That instantly refreshed. So that's pretty accurate already. Mostly what you need to do is fix technical terms. I can jump to positions in the video by clicking the minutes and just take off from there. And the transcriptions move to that position. So the one that is playing is always at the top. So you keep editing your files, and when you're done you can download your VTT and SRT files. And another really cool feature is clippings, where I can take any position in the video as marked by the captions and make a clipping for social media. And it automatically calculates the end caption based on the limitation of a clip at this time being between 5 and 30 seconds. When you have your range of captions, you can click Create and it will make a clipping in the background. That's pretty fast, often less than a minute, and actually it already has done it. And the captions in those clippings are burnt in, so they're part of the file. If you download the file, the captions will be within that MP4 file. Lastly, we work with a very simple credit system, which is always visible at the top. And you can buy more credits here. You can also go to your settings and view a history of what you have spent credits on. So in this case, I got 30 credits for joining the service. And I spent 5.9 on those captions because the video was almost 6 minutes, so it's 1 credit per minute. And I spent 1 credit on a clipping because the clippings at this point cost 1 credit per clipping. We hope this service helps you video creators boost the quality of your content, and that the clippings will give you an extra boost on your social media. Thanks for watching.